Here's some DIY fixes that I already have on my page for you guys. If your faucet's dripping, I have how to repair the cartridge for your faucet handle. If you have weak shower pressure, I have how to fix the shower head and also how to replace the shower cartridge if your shower head's dripping. If your toilet's running, I have fill valve replacement, flapper replacement, and if the toilet's leaking at the base, I have wax ring replacement. If your trap is leaking, I have a video for that. If you have a single handle kitchen faucet cartridge that needs replacement, we have a video for that. Oh, and we have plenty of garbage disposal videos. So when it comes to short format repairs or even longer term repairs like budgeted kitchen renovations, you found the right place, Dave Doc DIY. Thanks for following, guys.